Hello, students. I hope you all are doing well. Today, we will discuss our next topic in modals, that is could. We have already discussed in our previous video about the uses of can. Today, we will start that what is could and came to know the uses of could. So, basically, could is the past form of can. It is only the past form of can. Could is a modal verb used to express possibility, past ability, as well as to make request. So just look at the first use of could, that is to express past ability, power or capacity. See, whenever we talk about the past situations, that may be our past ability, that may be our past power, or that may be our past capacity, we always use could while making the sentences. My brother could drive a car. That means it is his past ability that he could drive a car, not in the present form. When I was young, here we have a clause that when I was young. Whenever you see sentences like this, it always carry could. I could climb tree, I could climb any tree. That means when the person was young, he could climb any tree, but not in the present situation. When she was young, she could outrun him. Outrun means run faster. When I was young, I could easily touch my toes. So these, above all these sentences, we came to learn that could is used to show or to express the past ability of a person or past power or capacity of a person. This is the very first use of could. Now let's move to our second use, to make polite request or permission. It always be in the present tense. We always use could in a present sense. See, could is regarded more polite in comparison of may and can. If we are making a request to someone, that means we are more polite. If you want to more polite to a person while making your request or while granting or taking any kind of permission, you always use could. It shows more politeness. Could you help her please? It is depend only on your choice that you want to put here please or whether you don't want to. Could you help her please? Could I borrow your notebook? Could I have a coffee? That means with more politeness we are requesting someone or taking permission someone or granting permission someone that we that always carry could. Whenever you want to be more polite, always use modal could. It always be used in a present form. Now move to our next use, that is past possibility. The structure of this possibility should be like this: subject plus could have plus verb third form plus other words. See, whenever we want something to express that had not happened in the past, but the possibilities were present there, we always use the structure like this. He could have sent a message, but in reality he did not send it. He could have done it, but in reality he did not do it. That means person may be able, but he didn't complete his work. That's why we use could in such kind of past possibilities. I could have been a lawyer, but in reality he is not a lawyer. So I hope you get the third use of could also. Now the fourth use is we use could in unreal situation. See what is unreal? Unreal means that it is so strange that you find it difficult to believe it, that it is happening. And in the situation like unreal situations, like they always carry if clause, and always if clause refer to such situation that tell us what we wish would happen, but in reality it never happened. See the examples. If I had more money, I could build a temple of Shiva. This particular example says that the person had not enough money to build a temple of Shiva. If I had wings, I could fly. That also again the sentence shows that the persons had not wing. As we all know, human beings have not their wings, so how could he fly? So it is just these sentence only shows the imaginary things of a person, and it always, whenever we want to structure a sentence like this, we always use if clause. Okay, I hope you got the meaning of the and got the uses of fourth use of the could. Now move to other things. Other and the last thing we have to noted here, that we don't use could to give or refuse permission. We can use can. See the example. Person A, could I leave? That means person is taking permission to someone else, that could I leave? But the person who is replying we considered as or imagined as person B. Yes, you could. No, you could not. See, you never given reply like this. Could, in the reply of could, we always use can. The correct answer will be yes, you can, or yes, no, you can't. No, you can't. Let's quickly see the negative sense or negative formation of the could. If you are saying in an affirmative thing sense, that only we says that my brother could drive a car, and if you want to say it in a negative, just make its negative form to just by putting here not. My brother could not drive a car. That means it shows in the past also my brother was not able to drive a car. Okay, whenever you add in any sentence, in any affirmative sentence, not, it will give you its negative form. My brother could not drive a car. My mother could not sing well. So these shows the past ability, that in the past the person was not able to do such things. This is all about the uses of could. I hope you understand the video. In the next video we will discuss about may, or the uses of may. Do practice of it. Make at least 20 sentences with the use of could. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.